dinner. So I'm gonna be reading a book, and it includes 7 groovy stories. It's Pete the Cat, and I'm gonna be reading each one week. Okay, guys? And it's Pete the Cat, Big Lunch. Lunch. Here comes lunch. Lunch. Here comes Pete. Lunch. I messed up there. Everybody does that. It is lunchtime. Pete is ready to eat. What should Pete eat? A sandwich would be nice. He wants to eat a sandwich, groovy sandwich. He wants to eat a groovy sandwich. Yes, Pete. Yes, Pete wants a sandwich. Pete opens the fridge. Yes, I had to say it again. I'm so sorry, guys. Yes, Pete wants a sandwich. Pete opens the fridge. He takes a loaf of bread. He finds a yummy fish. He adds tomato and mayo. Mayo? Mayo, he must love mayo. Pete looks at his sandwich. It's too small. Something's missing. Pete knows what it needs. His sandwich needs an apple. Pete loves apples. You're not supposed to add an apple to your... Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Comment on... Just say if you like apples on your sandwich. Comment in email with my mother. My beautiful mother. Hey, Mommy. Love you. His sandwich needs crackers. Crackers are crunchy. Pete loves crunchy crackers. Pete looks at his sandwich again. It is too small. What's more to add? Pete is very hungry. Pete adds a pickle. Pete adds cheese. Pete adds an egg. Pete adds 2 hot dogs. Pete adds a banana. Pete adds a groovy can of beans. Groovy pickle, groovy cheese, groovy an egg, 2 groovy banana hot dogs, and 1 groovy banana, and a can of groovy beans. Everything's groovy in his life. Something is missing. Pete adds groovy ice cream. He takes 3 groovy scoops. I'm putting everything groovy, because his life is so groovy. Pete's sandwich is too big for Pete to eat. Groovy. Pete's groovy sandwich is too big for Pete to eat. Pete wonders what to do and thinks and thinks. I've got it, Pete says. Pete calls all of his friends. He asks them to come over. He has cat, dog. Lots of cats and 1 dog. Everyone comes to Pete's house, and they are all very hungry. Pete shows them his groovy big lunch. Are you hungry? Asks Pete. Pete's groovy sandwich is big enough for everyone. Dig in, says Pete. They're gonna eat his groovy sandwich. Pete's groovy sandwich. Pete's groovy sandwich is very good. Pete's groovy sandwich is good. Pete's groovy sandwich is very good. People are eating some bananas, an apple, the hot dog. There's twins. Pete's groovy sandwich is all gone. Pete's groovy friends are all gone. Are all full. They liked Pete's groovy. They liked groovy Pete's big lunch. Groovy big lunch. Thanks for groovy lunch, Pete. Friends say. Thanks for groovy sharing. You're welcome, says Pete. Sharing is cool. And then we're gonna read this book next week.
Okay, so say good night.
Oop, I forgot to do this.
Okay, just put it next to you. Say good night to everybody.
Good night.
Good night, Princess Jojo.